The market still leans bullish, but Friday's repair is losing some freshness as very short-term breath cools, and the timing backdrop moves into a bull's late zone. Welcome back to the AI VLX stream for Monday, June 1st pre-market. I'm Alex, joined by Ivy, our AI data analyst. In today's update, we'll cover what changed after Friday's breath repair, where leadership is still holding, where weakness is rebuilding, what the June 1st through 3rd timing window means, and what would make this setup more fragile. Let's start with what changed since Friday.
Friday showed a strong participation repair. Today that repair is still present, but it has cooled. Very short-term new highs fell from 188 to 139, while new lows rose from 41 to 67.
So breath did not collapse, but it lost some momentum.
That's the right distinction. The broader trend is still constructive, but the easy part of Friday's rebound has already passed. The market now needs leadership to keep rotating rather than simply relying on one broad burst of participation.
Where is leadership still showing up?
Software, cybersecurity, semiconductors, large-cap technology, growth, and selected index leadership remain strong. The technology side of the tape is still doing a lot of the heavy lifting.
And where is weakness rebuilding?
Energy, commodities, defensives, staples, real estate, and some macro-sensitive areas are still under pressure. That matters because the market is not broadening evenly across all groups.
Let's move to the short-term structure.
Short-term structure remains intact. ST new highs are still strong at 232, new lows are back to zero, and ST uptrend participation improved slightly from 57% to 58%.
That still sounds constructive.
It is constructive, but not perfectly clean. ST power breakdowns rose from 93 to 101. That tells us stress is rebuilding even while the larger trend remains supported.
So the market is holding up, but the internal quality is mixed.
Yes, the current tape still favors bulls, but the very short-term timing is now more mature. The VST market timing index moved to 60, which puts bulls late rather than early.
What does timing suggest from here?
The main very short-term window is June 1st through 3rd. That supports additional upside attempts, but it also means this part of the move is becoming more vulnerable to stalling if breadth does not improve again.
And the short-term window?
Short-term timing stretches further into June 10th through 18th. That keeps the broader structure constructive, but the near-term risk is that the market grinds higher with narrower participation first.
What would make the setup weaker?
If new lows continue expanding and begin overtaking new highs again, or if ST uptrend participation falls materially below 55%. That would suggest the repair is failing instead of rotating.
So what's the takeaway for Monday?
The market remains broadly bullish, but Friday's repair is now transitioning into a more mature rotational phase. Bulls still have support, but they need breadth to re-accelerate quickly to avoid a short-term stall into the June 1st through 3rd window.
That's today's AI VLX stream. Thanks for joining us. Have a great start to the week, and we'll see you in the next update.